Affordable, creative and fast to ship ideas for every type of photographer, from beginner to pro. Perfect if you're still hunting for photo gifts this holiday season. Today I'm sharing 10 last-minute Christmas gifts for photographers. They are practical, creative and still possible to get in time. Bonjour! Welcome to your home for your creativity and your well-being. Today we're diving into something fun and festive. No gimmicks, no overpriced gear, just thoughtful, aesthetic and useful idea that feels really good to give. So grab a tea, light a candle and let's make your holiday list picture perfect. ID 1, the Photographer's Playbook. If you've never heard of it, it's a small book filled with creative prompts, short exercise and unexpected idea from photographers. It's simple, inspiring and under £20, but it completely changes how you see your work. You can open it whenever you feel a bit stuck or uninspired. It's really like having a creative conversation. So it's not gear, but it's a mindset, in my opinion. ID number 2, cleaning kit or lens pen. That's not the most glamorous gift, but trust me, it's a life saver. Every photographer has been there. Fingerprints, dust, a smudge on the lens right before the shoot. I always carry one with me. I did a video about what's in my everyday backpack, by the way. If you want to have a look later, just click on the link above and opening in a new window that can give you other ideas as well. ID number 3, RGB pocket lights. This one is so much fun. It's a tiny rechargeable LED panel that lets you change the color of your light from moody blues to warm ambers. Perfect for portraits, product photography, or just playing creatively at home. I love using mine to add atmosphere, for example. You can find this in a variety of price, if I'm honest, so it really depends on your budget here. You can go with a simple one or one that is maybe more robust or known brand. I've heard great things to the cheaper one as well, so really it's how much the person will use it and how much budget you have. ID number 4, memory card case or organizer. Absolutely essential. If you've ever lost an SD card, you know the panic I'm talking about. A good card case keeps everything organized, waterproof and safe. It's the kind of gift that really doesn't seem exciting until it saves your life mid-shoot. ID number 5, mini tripod. For self-portrait, behind-the-scene content, it's one of those I didn't know I needed these gifts, honestly. They're lightweight, flexible, and perfect for travel. I use mine literally right now, and it's always in my bag. And yes, even photographers need to take their own photo or behind the scenes sometimes. ID number 6, Lightroom presets, pack or lots. Instant download, instant upgrade. Whether it's your favorite creator preset pack or a subtle cinematic lot, it's like giving someone a creative color palette for their own style. I love supporting photographers this way. It's not just buying a file, but you're really supporting someone's vision. It's practical and it's super personal. And if you're not sure which one to get, you can always offer a little card to your friend or family and just let the person choose. ID number 7, Skillshare or Masterclass membership. We love gear, but knowledge is the best single investment you can do to yourself or to someone. A class on photography, filmmaking, creativity, or even yoga for focus, that's a gift that truly lasts. The best thing you can gift a creative person is curiosity. That's not sponsored at all, but I remember using Skillshare for years. There's a lot of other platforms, but for me, it was during lockdown I've learned illustration like this. It was incredible. I love the interface. I love the classes. You can also find course on Domestika, for example, and add in the comments if you are thinking about another platform like this to share with others. I'll be super interesting to know where you can find those classes and which platform echo with you. Number 8, gift cards. It can be for Adobe, Wix, Amazon. Let's just normalize being practical. An Adobe Creative Cloud gift card, a camera store voucher, it's perfect. You're literally helping them staying creative without guessing what lens they already own or without spending too much money. And let's be real, we all secretly love a good gift card. ID number 9, portable SSD drive. This one might sound boring, but it's gold. It's sleek, fast and reliable, and every photographer needs more storage, especially if they are shooting video or high-resolution files. Think of it as giving them space, literally and creatively. Of course, that can be not a very cheap idea, but again, it depends if you offer this gift with other people to the person. And idea number 10, a creative book or printed zine, a beautiful design photography book, an independent zine, or even a coffee table collection that inspires them visually. We spend so much time on screen. A printed object feels really special. Sometimes the best gifts really remind us why we create, not just what we use. By the way, I created something special for you. It's a completely free 3-page guide called How to Do Your Best Photoshoot. It's short, practical, full of little mindset shifts I use before every session. There's no sign up, no newsletter, just a free gift from me to you. You can find the download link right below in the description. So, which one of these gifts you would like to receive or to offer? Let me know in the comment below. I always love to read you and what you think and your ideas and what you love. If you enjoy this list, you can check out my Kodak camera review. It's linked at the end of this video or in the description, or just explore my channel for more creative and mindful photography videos. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that little bell. It really helps me grow this channel and continue creating videos for you, truly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for a new video.